Dun, 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 dun. Deepshikha,
Yes, sir.
what is TSA of cone?
So
Did
pi r L plus R.
Pi r L plus R. Are you sure?
Mm,
Pi r in bracket L plus R, right? See here, it's
Yes,
given.
yes, sir.
Diksha, you joined by 2 IDs or what? Diksha? Children, those were
Yes, sir. I left from the other one.
last class you were absent, no, Diksha?
Yeah, sir.
Now see, children, those who are not able to on the camera, you can just tell me why, what is the reason, or you can leave the meeting now.
Sir, I'm joining from Monday.
Every day you are having same problem, Sai Charan. I'm joining from this. You can't before prepared for it.
Sir, no, sir. From yesterday, I have problems. It's not owning the cam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I'm just waiting for you to on the camera, all of you children. Fine. Satvik is pending still. Satvik and Sai Charan, right? Sai Charan left. All right. Okay. Now two things is pending for us. One is your sphere and second one is hemisphere, right? So
Yes.
Diksha, last
Yes.
class we have discussed only formulas for cube, cuboid, cylinder, then frustum and all. Now two things is pending. One is your sphere. So a sphere is nothing but solid sphere, right? The sphere is like a ball shape. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here CSA and TSA will be not different. Here surface area is nothing but you can just tell CSA or TSA. Both are same. CSA or TSA. Both are what? Same only. Because if you see the football or anything, which is curved surface area, we can't find anything, right? From everywhere it's same only, right? Diksha, you are smiling. Diksha, we are closing your mic.
Boss.
Huh?
No, sir. No, sir.
I thought you were thinking something. So this is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area. Just remember how to remember this. 4 is coming up, right? So we can write here 4 pi r square. Okay. So surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube and area is what? 4 pi r square. All right. Area is 4 by 3 pi r. Area is 4 pi r square and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now see hemisphere. Hemisphere is just half of the sphere, right? Hemisphere is just half of a sphere. So if volume of this sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, so what is half of 4 by 3? By 3, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So 4 by 3 divided by 2, if you do, what you will get? 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So you'll get 2 by 3 pi r cube. It's clear? 2 by 3 pi r cube. It's clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine. So CSA will be some, I told you how to remember this. The upper part is your CSA, that is 2 pi r square, right? Upper part is your CSA, that is 2 pi r square. And TSA is 3 pi r square. Down one is C. Down one, what you are seeing, that is your total surface area. Upper one is curved surface area. Is it clear, children? Is it clear to everyone how to remember this?
Yes, sir.
If you know the volume of hemisphere, you can find it easily, CSA and TSA. All right. So that's the end of the formula part right now. Okay. So we have done everything now, all the formulas and all. So these are the formulas what we are having with us. See, cube is lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume. So 4a square, lateral surface area or curved surface area, then total surface area, and cube is your volume is a cube. Just try to compare this. You understood? Do you know all this thing or not? If you're having doubt in any part of it, just ask me. This is a brief formula part. Hollow cylinder. You have not read hollow cylinder, right?
So for diagonals, there are no formulas except for cube and cuboid.
Not required. They won't ask here. Cube cylinder, what is diagonal you will do?
Okay.
What do you do with the diagonal of the cylinder? So next is sphere. Hemisphere and hemisphere. The children, just try to recall these formulas with you. If you're having doubt, you just ask. Once you just remind this, recall these formulas. Tejaswar is the newest student. Tejaswar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Tejaswar, you have read all this surface area and volume formula. You read already.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the TSA of cone, Tejaswar?
Yeah.
TSA of cone.
The total surface area of cone equals to pi RL into L plus R.
Okay. What about area of four walls, Tejaswar? Area of four walls?
Sir, 4 walls means cube, you know, sir.
Yeah, cube only. Cube or cuboid, you can think cuboid.
6a square.
6a square is for area of six walls in case of cube, right?
Yes, sir. 4a square.
I'm asking about cuboid. In cuboid, what you can write?
So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Then what is total surface area? That what you're saying, that is for total surface area, right?
Yes, sir. Total surface area, sir.
Means I'm asking area of four walls, it means CSA. Lateral surface area I'm asking.
I'm not able to understand.
Not able to understand.
Yes, sir.
See how you told 4a square. What is 4a square formula you told? For what you told 4a square formula?
There are set for cube.
Huh?
There are set for cube, sir.
Cube, and what is cube? What? Volume, CSA, TSA. What is, which formula is this for cube?
Sir, I said 6a square plus surface area of cube, sir.
Okay, surface area of cube is 6a square, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 4a square of cube? What is 4a square?
Okay.
If surface area is 6a square, what is 4a square here?
Sure.
Not able to
Area of
understand.
cone. Yes, sir.
No, you only told the answer. That's why I'm asking you, nothing else. Simply just ask you understand how you told 4a square and 6a square. That's why. If you're having cube, like here, see. If you see this one, no. See the first one, Tejaswar.
Yes, sir.
This is your 6a square. This is 4a square, no?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just asking you, what is the difference between these two, 4a square and 6a square?
Sir, 4a square it is the lateral surface area, sir. 6a square it's total surface area.
Same thing I'm asking, what is the lateral surface area of cuboid? This is cube for cube. No, I'm asking for cuboid. That's it.
Sir, 2h into L plus B.
2h into L plus B. Or we call it as the area of four walls also.
Okay, sir. But I was not habituated for that name, so I got confused.
Acha. Fine. So anyone, children, having doubt in this? And children, those who are off the cameras, tell me, Diksha, what happened to you now? Sai Charan. Some question is there. I'm just writing here cuboid. Okay. This is your cuboid right now. Find the surface area. Surface area of box if top cover has been removed. So I'm just telling you the height, length, width. This is your 10. Your width is 6 and height is your 8 centimeter. Okay. So find the surface area. Question is find the surface area of the box if top cover has been removed. Means your this top part is pink color, what I'm just coloring right now. This has been removed right now. Okay. Then what is the total surface area or surface area of this cuboid? Just find and tell me the answer for this. Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
On your camera. Diksha, what is the formula for this? Diksha. Can you hear me, Diksha?
Yes, sir.
What is the surface area of the cuboid? I think last class you were absent, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is it,
Hmm.
so should I say?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, is it 312?
Acha, answer is 312 unit square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody else? Just write in the chat box, children, if you have got the answer. If you got the answer, write in the chat box. Satvik got 312. All right. Anybody else?
Sir, I typed.
Same only, Vivek?
No, sir.
Okay, just you have done in the no. Okay, fine. You got the different answer. Anybody else? Dipshika, Bhumika,
They're doing.
Sai Ritvik, what you're thinking? Sai Ritvik, what you're thinking?
Nothing, sir. I was doing it.
Sir, sorry, sir. That was not the correct one. I will send another one. That can you check, sir?
So another one you got, right? Vivek? Fine, all right.
Yeah, sir.
Bhumika, what is the formula we have to use, Bhumika? Which formula we should use here?
Sir, I used the TSA formula first.
Okay, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, right?
Yes, sir.
After this?
Then I subtracted the area of one
This top
rectangle.
layer. Top layer, right? So what is the
Yes, sir.
formula of it?
L into B.
Okay. So here length is 10, breadth is 6, and height is 8. So 2 into LB, 10 into 6 plus 6 into 8 plus height into 10 minus
So I
LB.
did it wrong, sir.
You have done wrong. Okay. So 60 plus 48 plus 80 minus 60. 8 for 12, 12,
Sir, I'm
6.
getting 250.
188 into 2 minus 60. So 188 into 2. 8 to the 16, 17, 376 minus 60. What you're getting? 316.
Yes,
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having doubt in this side,
sir,
Ritvik?
by mistake I did 2, sir.
No, sir, I gave you the answer in chat box. I got 316.
Acha, okay. Suppose this is in centimeter, okay? Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Now, second question is find the cost of covering the box, covering the box. Okay, same question. Top part is not there. Find the cost of covering the box at the rate of rupees 72 per centimeter square. Find the cost of covering the box.
Sir, top is not there.
Yeah, same question. Top is not there.
Sir, the 316 which you got here is cubic centimeters, no, sir?
Yeah, 316 is centimeter square only. Centimeters square only, yes. If you are having centimeter here, we got 316 centimeter square.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting 1.
What you're getting, Sai Charan?
One.
Two, huh? What, Sai Charan?
Sir, I'm getting 1762, sir.
What you have done, Sai Charan? What you have done?
Sir,
What?
sir,
See, cost, if you're finding cost here, your voice is breaking, Sai Charan, your voice is breaking. 72. Bhumika, I think your answer is correct, no? 22752.
Sir, even I got the same one.
Sir, is it 2,
Yes,
2,
I got
sir?
the
Or
same.
Sir, even I sent you the same answer.
Yeah. Because it's normal, right? This is your surface area. Now, next question is, how many insect can accommodate if one insect occupies 0.2 centimeter cube? How many insect can accommodate in the same cuboid if one insect occupies 0.2 centimeter cube space? Tell me, children, how to find this? Same question. Length is 10, right? Length is what? 10, 8, right? 8 or 10? It's given 10. Breadth is 6.
Sir, length is 10, width is 6, height is 8.
Yeah. This is the question. Okay. So how many insect can accommodate if one insect occupies this much centimeter cube? Tell me the answer for this.
Sir, we have to find the cuboid. How much can that shape hold those many insects?
What you should find?
So what should we find here?
That
The
only
number of
thinking part is there.
insects in those dimensions, right?
The dimension is given. What you have to find, just you think for 2 minutes. If you're not getting that, then you tell me, okay?
Okay.
Try to understand.
So those are the
size.
dimensions of cube.
Yeah, dimension of cuboid is length is 10, breadth is 6, and height is 8 centimeter. Diksha, Bhumika, Vivek, Sai Charan. Tell me the answer fast. Hello. Srivani, you got 96. Can you able to hear me, children? Vivek, you can hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So I just got 4 answers. First and Mystery Anvi. Okay. Anyway, to find volume and number of insects they can fit are 2,400. Okay. Satvik, you got 15.80, right?
Yes, sir.
Vivek, how much you got?
Sir, 1 minute. I'm
Sir,
doing.
no, sir. It's wrong. I
Tejasper, what is your answer, child?
I'm still doing, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I'm getting 96, sir.
96.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Extended divided by that 1. Shriyanvi, sir, I didn't get to them. I extended divided that 1. Okay, anyway, I'll just check what is the answer you are getting. See, first of volume is how much? What is the volume of this? 10 into
it's
6 into
480.
8. Huh?
480.
Yeah, 480 centimeter cube, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, here if you are using unitary method, I'm writing here insect. And here writing centimeter cube. The one insect is carrying 0.2 centimeter. So 480 centimeter cube we are having with us x. So what we can write here? 0.2x is equals to how much? 480. So x is equals to 480 divided by 0.2. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
The 2000.
2,400.
2,400. All of you got the same. Someone
No, sir.
got 1,580, 75.2 and all you are getting.
Yeah, sir,
Yeah.
I calculated TS instead of volume.
Bhumika also did correctly. All right. So your answer is 2,400. One liter is equals to 1 meter cube is equals to how many liters? Who will tell me? In 1 meter cube, how many liters of water will come, children?
Sir, 1000.
1000 liters.
Sir, 1/1000.
Yes, 1,000 liters.
Yeah. 1000 liters is correct answer. See, if you are having a cistern so that you are having 1 meter is your height, 1 meter is your length, and 1 meter is your width. Okay.
Sir, 1/1000 liters is for 1 centimeter cube. Sir.
What, Sai Charan?
1/1000
Huh.
liters, sir, is for 1 centimeter cube. Sir.
Yeah, that's correct. About the 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1/1000 liters. So if you're having a cistern like this, so you can just put here how many liters of water? 1000 liters will come. If your tank is like this, 1000 liters of water will come. If height h, w, and l all three are 1 meters, then you have how much liters of water? 1000 liters. Okay. Sai Ritvik, in 1 meter cube, how much centimeter cube will be there?
So
Don't know. Okay, Sai Ritvik, you tell me 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter only you tell?
100.
100. So for cube, what we should do? Satvik?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Bhumika?
Sir, 100 cube.
Bhumika?
1000.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Sai Charan?
Sir, is it 100 centimeter cube?
100 centimeter. No. Deepshikha?
Sir, 1000
is it 10
centimeter
lakh?
cube.
10 lakh. Yeah. See, if 100 is there means 100, how many times is there? 3 means 3 times you should write. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
It's 100 cube only.
Okay,
It's
sir, understood.
Yeah, 100 cube centimeter cube, right?
Sir, I said before only.
You said before only. I thought it 100 centimeter cube you are saying. Diksha,
Yes, sir.
what's the problem with the camera? Camera is having problem or what?
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, if you convert 1 centimeter to meter, then what is the answer for this? 1
Sir, what,
centimeter
sir?
to meter. 1 centimeter to meter. Diksha,
Yes, sir.
what do you do? If you have to find 1 centimeter is equals to how many meters, then how to find this?
So 0.1.
0.01 meter.
0.01 Tejashwar or 0.1?
So 0.01 meter.
Yeah. See, what is if you don't know, children, try to understand here. You should remember like this: milli, centi, deci, meter. Okay. Then deca, hecto, kilometer. Instead of meter, you can remember here what? You can remember gram also. You can remember liter also. Okay, milliliter, centiliter, anything it was this. So top to bottom, if you are coming, it means what? Top to bottom means small to big. Small to big, what you are doing? You should try SBD, division you should do, okay? Small to big, you should do division. If you are going down to top, that is big to what? Down to top is big to small, BSM, multiplication you should do. Understood? The centimeter is here and meter. Centimeter, you are standing at this place. And you have to come, how many steps you are coming down? 1, 2. 2 steps you are coming down, right? This should divide by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Understood? And this is nothing but this only. Got it? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 kilometer is equals to how much centimeter? Deepshikha. 1 kilometer is equals to how many centimeter?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I could not unmute.
Say,
Sir, 10,000.
10,000. Yes, 10,000. 10,000 or what?
Sir,
1
no, sir.
minute. Kilometer up, you are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 will come.
Lakh.
Yeah, lakh
Sir,
will come.
10 lakh.
Seven.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. That Tejaswar is correctly only. Tejaswar given the answer. All right. So now Sai Ritvik, you understood the concept. Sai Ritvik,
Yes, sir, understood now.
tell me 1 meter is equals to how many millimeter? Sai Ritvik,
Sir, 1,000.
1,000.
Yes, sir.
It's correct. Okay. Now shall we move to the questions?
Yes, sir.
Formulas
Yes,
and
sir.
all.
Yes.
Try to understand formula once, children. If you are not knowing, Diksha, you are absent, right? So try to understand the difference and all. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, hollow cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. So moving to the questions now. We have done so many questions actually. See this question number 1. A plastic box, length, breadth, and height is given to you. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of sheet required to making the box. The cost of sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So understanding this concept here, it's opened at the top. It means already, you know, total surface area minus you can remove area of the top, right? What we have asked before. See, area of sheet required is TSA of cuboid minus area of top, right? The same thing we are doing once again here. So our answer is 5.45 meters square. Just check we are getting this or not. 5.45 meters square is the answer for this. Those who are not getting, just tell me. Diksha,
Same answer I got, sir.
Diksha,
Yes, sir.
what is the problem with you?
Nothing, sir.
Then keep on the camera all the time on and try to solve the question.
Yes, sir.
So length is 1.5, breadth is 1.25. So getting 18.75, right? Again, 1.25 into 0.65, 0.8125.
Yes, sir. Got him.
0.65 into 1.5, 0.975. So at the last, you should get 5.45 meters square. And later on, they have given here, find the cost of sheet. If the sheet measuring is 1 meter square, cost is rupees 20. So 1 meter cost is rupees 20. So 5.4 my cost is how much? So 109. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now do question number 2 here. Question number 2. The length, breadth, and height of the room are 5, 4, and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of 7.5 meter per meter square. So what we have to find here, Satvik? Area or volume?
Sir, TSA minus down ground.
Okay, TSA minus down wala part, down ground one, right?
Yes, sir.
You can do that. Sai Charan, I think network is not coming. Sai Charan went out. Diksha, do you know the formula for this, right? You know the formula of TSA, no, of this room. Diksha, tell me the formula of TSA of the room.
2 LB plus BH plus HL.
Okay. And if you remove the ground part, then what you will get? Minus?
L into B.
Okay, fine. Just put the values and get the answer first for the area.
Sir, sir, can we do it like first find out the area of the 4 walls and then for the ceiling and add them both?
Yeah, that also you can do. Same answer we get.
Yeah, sir, I did that one.
Or you can do 2H into L plus B and plus LB. Like this we are saying, right?
Yeah, sir.
Any formula you can use here.
Yeah,
Sir, I
sir,
have
done.
sent you the
my
answer.
You got the answer, no? So Tejaswar got already.
Sir, is it correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
Sir, I'm also sending the answer. It is saying you're not there in this meeting. What, sir?
You're not there in the meeting.
No, it is saying that you are not there in the meeting.
Why is so? Send once again.
Sir, I got same answer.
It
Me
came now.
too, sir.
Yeah, sir, now it came. I send you, sir.
Okay, fine. So see here, I have
That's
done
the cost.
here.
Sir, what answer I have sent? That is the cost, sir.
Yeah, this is cost. So you have to find cost only, not directly.
Yeah,
So,
sir.
so if you solve this, see, this is 74 also I have done here, 74 into 7.5, right? You got the answer, Sai Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
Shriyanvi. Okay, do the third question, all of you. Third question you do. The floor of rectangular hall has perimeter 250 meters. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square, here bit question is bit tricky. It's given 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000. So what is given? Try to understand the question first, then you do the question. Floor of a rectangular hall is of a perimeter is 250 meters. So 2 into L plus B is equals to 250. Cost of painting of 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000. So remember children, if it is given 10 means 10 rupees per meter square means 10 rupees per meter square. 10 rupees per meter square. The CSA, if you multiply CSA with this per meter square, how much you get? You get rupees 15,000. You are getting what is good?
Sir, I sent you my answer.
Okay,
Wait.
fine. So 2 children have sent already. Sai Ritvik, you find the height, right?
Yes, that's what they asked.
Okay. How you find Sai Ritvik?
Sir, what it did was 2 into L plus B, H is equal to 15,000 divided by 10.
How 15,000 divided by 10 you have done?
Sir, because the cost of painting 4 walls at 10 rupees is 15,000. So we
Huh.
can say that we have to divide 15,000 by 10 to get
Why not
a fun.
multiply?
So
I'm
if
telling
we
what.
so if we multiply, that means that that is the the area of the 4 walls. That is not the area. We multiply the area with 10 to get 15,000. So we have to divide with 10 to get the area.
Acha, okay, fine.
Then because we have been given 2 into L plus B, H is equal to 250, H is equal to 1500, and H is equal to 6.
Satvik, understanding the question? Satvik?
I'm trying.
See, first you write the data, what is given here, okay? See, try to write the data over here first. So see here, first on a perimeter is given 250 meters. The 2 into L plus B is equal to 250. So length plus breadth is equals to 125 meters. It's clear, first line, Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Then we written here cost of painting, that is rupees 10 rupees per meter square, and cost of painting we have is given 15,000 rupees. So we have to find height. The left hand side I've written the data first. Okay, what is given in the question, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here they are saying cost of painting of 4 walls. So what is the area of 4 walls? 2 into L plus B into H, right?
Yes, sir.
So this much is your curved surface area, LSA, lateral surface area. And how much 1 meter square cost is rupees 10. If you multiplying by 10, you should get how much rupees? 15,000. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Diksha, it's clear to you what I'm saying? So lateral surface area multiply by 10 means 1 meter square is rupees 10. So how much area is coming for this? Into 10 is equal to how much? Total cost is 15,000. If this much you understood, you can do it easily. Understood?
Yes, sir. Now I'll do it.
Huh. So now the formula I've written down is check. LSA into cost of painting of wall at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square is equal to total cost. The 250H. How have I written 250H? Because 2 into L plus B, this whole part is 250. What we got from here? See, 2 into L plus B is equal to what? 250. So 250H into 10 is equals to 15,000. Now after solving, you'll get the answer. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question. Next question you see now. Question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimension this can be painted out of this container? So you have to paint the brick, right? All of you try to understand here. The paint of certain container is sufficient to paint. So this can paint how much? 9 point this much meter square. The same surface area should be for brick also, right? So how many bricks of dimension this can be painted? So this is given in meter square, this is given in centimeter. So first you have to convert everything into centimeter or everything into meters, right?
Yes, sir.
So first of all,
Sir, I
you
got the
convert.
answer. Can I send?
Send in chat box. Yeah. So what you can write, children, try to understand the question first.
Sir, I
Total
also sent.
surface area of the paint. Okay. Surface area of paint. The paint in a certain container is equals to what? TSA of what? Total surface area of X bricks. We don't know how many bricks are there, right? So first we write total surface area of the paint, how much is having in the container, should be equal to what? Total surface area of X bricks. So bricks is cuboid in shape. So first this one you convert into centimeter square only. So what you'll get? 9.375 into 100 into 100. Can we write like this to make into centimeter?
Yes.
And then TSA you can write X into TSA of thing. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the values and get the answers. So I got 3 answers till now. Sai Ritvik has sent. And then Tejaswar has sent. One more people has sent before only. Vivek, Sai Ritvik, Tejaswar. 3 children has sent. Rest all you are getting or not? Bhumika?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay, do. Shriyanvi? Diksha, you got the answer? Hundred, you also got Diksha. Diksha, you also got 100.
Yes, sir.
See, these are the calculations what we have to do here. Anyone who is not able to understand this? Fine. Deepshikha, you got the answer?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, we're solving. Same way, any confusion in solving? Any?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So those who have finished, they can start this question number 5th one. So right now we're doing easy questions from NCERT. Later on we'll do extra questions. Okay. So these are the basic concept, basic questions. A cubical box has edge 10 centimeter. Cubical box has edge 10 centimeter. Another cubicle is 12.5 centimeter. Cubical box has a edge 10 centimeter. Another cubical box has 12.5, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter height. So this is cubical and this is cuboidal, right? Cubical and this is cuboidal. So lateral surface area of both you can find, and by how much? Total surface area and by
I
how
got it.
much? Okay. Sai Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
solving very fast. Huh?
I've done these before, sir, when you discussed them in the previous classes.
Yes, yes, correct.
I solved them again and posted the answer.
Mhm. Vivek also got larger areas 40.
Done with my answer, sir.
Hmm.
I have sent you the answer.
Hmm. So lateral surface area, first you find the cuboid, cubical and cuboidal, right?
Yes, sir.
The cubical with 1000. No, this is volume, no.
And
LSA we have to
volumes.
find.
Yes, sir. 4a square, 400.
400
square,
you
sir.
get. And this cuboidal, how much you get?
360, sir.
360, sir.
360.
360.
And for total surface area, cube we're getting 600. And
And
for this and cuboidal, we're getting 610.
how much is this is greater? How much this is greater? By how
So
much is
for
given?
For-
first,
Sir, 40.
first
Second one
40
is
and then the second one is 10.
40, okay. And second one is
10
10.
centimeters square, sir.
First
10
bit
centimeters.
first bit cube is bigger and second bit cuboidal is bigger.
Yeah, and this cube is bigger.
Yeah, sir.
And here cuboid is bigger. So try to do the questions, children, okay? Try to do the questions as much as you can do. And if you're having doubt, you can just send in the Wise app, okay? So that we can clarify fast, okay? If you're having doubts, at least 10 to 20 questions you do from this till the next class, okay?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt till here? Any one of you having doubt?
No, sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Diksha, leave a last. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Hello.